Hi everyone and welcome. This is just a short video to show you another way that you can use your scraps and turn them into a gift. In this case, we're looking at a little gift bag, just a regular craft paper gift bag that you can buy. And when I give a gift, I like to give a gift with a gift. And what I mean by that is that I like to give something handmade and at the same time as whatever I'm giving in the bag. This, of course, is just yarns that are just tied onto the handle for a little bit of blingy there. This is a little handmade tag, just a little fiber art sewn to a piece of paper, cardstock, but it's a tag, and so you can put their name on it or whatever on the back of it. Now this piece, let me bring you up a little. This piece is a piece of fiber art that I made separately, and you can see that it has 4 little brads, and so I attach it to the bag, and you can see that on the inside with just the brads. Okay, that allows the person who receives this to be able to take this off, and then they can frame it out or keep it, whatever they want to do with it. They can sew it to something. They can use it in any way they want. And so they get a gift and a gift, like 2 gifts at once. And so that's a great idea because, again, everything here is made from scraps. You can see that these are just scraps and crumbs just put together. Now, I sewed this on, I think it's a 4x6 piece of batting. I machine sewed parts of it down, and then I come back and did hand stitching, slow stitching on some of the other pieces. Then I took that piece of batting and I sewed a piece of lace to the back side of it so that it has an edging here, and just a little piece of lace up there. Put a little charm on it, and it was finished. And then so I brought it over to the bag and punched holes and put my little brads through it. And so it's strongly attached. It's not coming off, but it makes a beautiful gift bag, and they get a double gift when you give it that way, and you've just used up some scraps to do it with. So that's another idea of being able to take some scraps and turning it into a gift. This fiber art look most people love it. And few people actually do it. So they love having a piece of their own because it's not something they're going to actually make themselves. So I hope that's a good inspiration for you, and that you'll try something like that with your gift bags in the future. And if you've done something different with your gift bags that's crafty, that uses scraps, please let me know in the comments because I'd like to try it out. Okay, till next time, stay scrappy happy. Bye-bye.